Very good morning to all of you. Children, we were discussing about the nitrogen cycle. So, nitrogen cycle is actually a biogeochemical cycle. What is before understanding the nitrogen cycle, we must know what is a biogeochemical cycle. So, the biogeochemical cycle is a natural cycle in which the conserved matter move through the biotic and abiotic parts of ecosystem. What are biotic parts of the biotic parts means the living in which the living organisms involved like plants and animals, and abiotic parts means air, land, water. These involves the abiotic system of the abiotic part of the ecosystem. The abiotic components can be subdivided into three categories: the hydrosphere, water, the atmosphere, and the lithosphere. So let's come to the nitrogen cycle. What is nitrogen cycle? The nitrogen cycle refer to the cycle of nitrogen atom through the living and non-living system of the earth. Abhi we have discussed the biotic and abiotic component of the ecosystem, so that we can say that biotic or abiotic, or we can say living and non-living system of the earth. The nitrogen cycle is vital for life on earth because nitrogen is an essential element for the living organisms. It is a component of amino acid, proteins, DNA, RNA that we will discuss in higher classes. So through the cycle, atmospheric nitrogen is converted to form which plant can incorporate into new proteins. Means in simple language we can say that nitrogen cycle is a cycle in the atmosphere through which the nitrogen is converted into such components that the organisms can or plants can utilize it directly, because nitrogen is a it is actually not inert gas, but it is considered as inert gas. Inert gas means the gases which cannot react with other components. So nitrogen is uh, when it changes into its other components, it can be absorbed by the soil and can be utilized by the organism. So nitrogen was originally formed in the heart of stars through the process of nuclear fusion. When ancient stars explode, they flung nitrogen containing gases across the universe. When the earth was formed, nitrogen gas was the main ingredient in its atmosphere. Still today, when we study about the components of air, we know that the 78% is part of that composition is nitrogen, 21% is oxygen, and 1% is other gases. That is an ideal balance because too much oxygen can actually be toxic to cell. In addition, oxygen is flammable, means it support combustion. So nitrogen on the other hand is inert and harmless in its gaseous form. However, nitrogen gas is not accessible to plants and animals for use in their cells. And we know that nitrogen cannot be utilized directly by the cells or by the organisms. So how this nitrogen is utilized, we will study with the help of nitrogen cycle.